Hi Rick, apologies about my voice. Okay, as I sent you a link, you'll see at the top here is lioness.nailtech.biz administrator. It's only got one N, sorry. And you'll come to this screen here. Now I'm going to log in as me, but you can log in as yourself with the password that I gave you. So if I just quickly log in, that takes you to your opening screen, which is this one. So we're in the administration part, and we've got some menus across the top, which is the place I use most of the time, and some quick icons down here to help you do stuff. So for a start, your main content of your website is managed through Category Manager, Article Manager and Media Manager. So if I show you quickly, I've created some categories. At the moment we've got books, blog, news, welcome, shop and about us. There you can have categories within categories. It's just an easy way of organising your content of your website, so all your pages in your website will be in one of those categories. For example, I've created a news category, so all our news articles will then get written into the news category. So if we go back to the top, go back to the control panel and look at articles, you'll see at the moment I've created 7, and it shows you which category they're in here. So an easy one here is if we select the category news at the top, it then filters it to just show the ones that are in the news category, and there's the 4 news items I've created for you. So you can either click on an item here and edit it. Let's take news 2, and it brings you into the editor screen. So there's the title, news 2, whether it's published or not, who can see it, and then underneath a fairly Microsoft Word style editor. So you've got things like bold text, italics, underline. So we can take asteroid, highlight it and click on bold, and it turns it into bold text. On the right you have a created data start and finish publishing, something we'll come back to later, but it means that you can actually set up articles and get the website to produce them where they start showing on a certain date and time, and they take themselves off the website at a certain date and time. Very useful for changing content, or particularly if you wanted to do something like a special offer for February, you can make it so it disappears at the end of February. The other thing that's new with this version, which is quite nice, is images and links. So in here I have used a couple of images for your intro image and full article image. Let's close for a second. So if we wanted to create a new news item, click on new. Because we were in the news category, it takes you to news already, and we can put something like Rick fell off his bike. I knew you'd love me, really. In here, type in the article. So put some text in. I'm going to put a read more link. What happens there is anything before the read more shows up on the summary, and anything after it is only visible when we get to the next page. So this text is only visible after the user has clicked on read more. Images and links, we'll go and select an image. I've uploaded a few just to try it out. Initial one, let's put in and a slightly bigger version of the same picture. Insert, and then click save and close. Now, there's a number of features about this, but if we go to your website and click on home, where is it? It's not there. Let's have a look at news. There's Rick fell off his bike. And you can see, if you go back to news, it goes up to ouch. When we click read more, the next line after ouch that said read more is visible, and it shows the bigger picture on the screen for the article. It doesn't show on the home screen, although all the other news items do, because we're doing something clever there, and that is we're creating them all as featured articles that show on the front page. So if we want it to appear on the front page, we turn it into a featured article, and then the only other thing we need to do is make sure that Rick fell off his bike is below the welcome article. And then if we click home, go to the home, have a look down there, there it is, Rick fell off his bike. And because we've now got more than 4 extra articles on the front page, it says there's another page of articles, so we can go to page 2, and that's where the time warp one has gone, on the home page. Okay. In essence, there's a few things of how to upload images and how to manage the forum, but that will do for now. Basically, you just need to put articles into the categories, and the categories we should define up front. So all you've got to do is edit articles, and you can edit your website. Okay, I'm going to stop for now.